get to know. This is Tash, and she's a Les Mills Grip presenter.
And this is Khiran, the presenter of Les Mills Sprint.
I'm gonna ask first.
Okay.
All right. Tash, how many days do you guys get to practice to get into such perfect sync for filming?
So for Grit, we get 4 rehearsal days together. And within those 4 days, we get 3 master classes where we can practice at Auckland City in front of live audience and practice our scripting. And then we get feedback after each master class to tweak a little bit. Okay, you ready?
Yes.
How and when did you start your Les Mills journey?
Many moons ago. I actually started as a member on the floor, and then the GFM at the time was like, hey, cool lady, girl, would you like to become an instructor? And that's how I started my journey, and it kind of eventuated from there.
Cool. Awesome.
Next question. Okay, so what is your favorite thing about the person in front of you?
About you? Oh, stop. I think that my favorite thing is that you are 100% yourself, no matter what situation you're in, and you just have fun with everyone and everything. Yeah, that's my favorite thing about you.
Okay.
Okay, what job do you do outside of being a Les Mills presenter?
So I actually work in IT. And I manage projects, and I look after a help desk as well. So yeah, it's very interesting.
Very smart.
I know. Okay. Next question. If a movie was made about your life, who would you choose to play you?
Probably you.
Yeah.
No, I'm kidding.
Don't overshoot here.
I really like, I don't even know her last name, but Wonder Woman.
Ah.
Yeah, I just like how strong and beautiful she is.
Okay, good
And I would like to be
answer.
portrayed that way.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, where would you suggest people to visit in New Zealand?
Without a doubt, they'd have to visit Queenstown, because it is the most beautiful place I've ever been to, and I've been to a few countries, and initially I thought, oh, it's not going to be as beautiful as everybody's making it out to be, but when I landed, it seems like it's not real. Like, it was just so beautiful, so clean, people were so friendly, lots of things to do. Ferg burger. Mm-hmm. Oh. Mm-hmm. It's not hype, it's real, it's delicious.
Okay.
Yeah, it was awesome.
I agree.
Okay. What does a guilt-free perfect cheat meal look like to you?
Okay, so I never feel guilty when I have my cheat meals.
Amen.
Because they are rewards
Yes.
for how hard we work.
Yeah.
But I do this possibly once a fortnight. I go to the movies, I have my popcorn, my Maltesers, and my Starbucks Frappuccino with extra cream.
Your what?
Starbucks Frappuccino with extra cream. It's just the perfect combination.
Do you put it all together?
Yes.
Yeah. Where's the ice cream though?
No.
Oh,
It's a
okay.
Frappuccino. So yeah.
Nice.
But no guilt.
No go. Ever.
Okay. What characteristic do you most admire in other people?
Hard work. Like work ethic. Like, that's number one for me. When I see someone working hard, and that's probably why I love doing what I do, it just really inspires me to give my everything. Like, work ethic without a doubt. It doesn't matter where you are, what you're doing. Yeah, that's my number one.
Awesome.
Yeah. Okay, so do you have any superstitions or routines right before filming? Natasha.
This is gonna be super inappropriate. Do I say it? I have to take a nervous poo. Before I teach any class, before I do anything on camera, it has to happen, otherwise I can't focus or function. Okay, what advice do you have for people who are just starting on their fitness journey?
My advice would be to just be brave enough to give it a go. And I know that self-doubt can sometimes kick in and you can think I'm not fit enough, or I'm not good enough, or I don't have the right clothes to do this, or you know, I don't know how to do this move. There's always that fear of the unknown, but until you try it, you don't really know if you can't do it.
Exactly.
And then once you're there, it's like, if your instructor, like if you're at home and your instructor's like pushing for you to pop up onto your toes and you're like, I can't, you just have to try it. So I think the most important thing is just be brave enough to give it a go. Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah. Do you have any irrational fears?
So, I absolutely can't stand velvet. Hate it. I hate the feeling. Anytime it touches my skin, I just like curl up and ball and just.
I'm gonna wear velvet.
Do not do
from
it.
head to toe. Thank you so much for sharing.
Okay. When it comes to food, what is your ultimate weakness?
Marshmallows.
Marshmallows.
Yeah. Because they're so perfect. They're fluffy and they're squishy and they're so delicious.
Okay, marshmallows. I'll buy you a big bag.
Okay. Hell with velvet.
Okay.
And last question, Tash. What is your favorite thing about working with Les Mills?
Definitely the connection that you can build with people, in terms of like you can meet someone from overseas that teaches Les Mills and you instantly have something in common and you can connect straight away through it. And through Les Mills I've been able to make so many international friends or people that I would never have imagined crossing paths with.
Yeah.
And
That's cool.
I think just having that same common purpose and passion is cool. It just brings everyone together.
Yeah, I agree. That's nice.
Last one. What is the funniest or most embarrassing thing that has happened to you or your teammates during filming?
Okay, so I don't get embarrassed easily, but this is probably quite funny. We were in a filming and the music was really loud and we couldn't hear each other over the microphone. So we could follow each other, but we couldn't hear what each other was saying to one another. So Diana asked me a question and I didn't know what she had said, so I just answered with yes. And apparently she had not asked me a yes or no question. So there's this bit in a filming where she's asking me a question that's not a yes or no question and I just reply yes. And then they've kept the audio, so now around the world instructors and members and participants contact me and they just laugh. And it's awesome. It's cool. Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you for tuning in.
And we hope you enjoyed getting to know us.